Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I just have a small project share. I did go onto TikTok. I am on TikTok. Yes, it's at Eileen Payne 5. Yeah, that's me. I went on there to do some crafting, just a little bit of live action over there on that channel. So anyway, as you all know, I'm hosting the swap for the Care Bears with Ebony. It is the Care Bears Swap 2025, and I wanted to load this second backpack that I made for the Care Bears backpack tutorial on my channel. I had to make some goodies to put into this backpack because it's empty. I already filled the first backpack. So on that in TikTok live, I went ahead and finished my little pennants, these two little pennants right here, and I packaged my goodies so that I could put them away into our backpack. So I've got, gosh, I think 8. Yeah, I have 8 pennants for this backpack. I think mainly because I'm not going to make a banner for the backpack. It's not going to have exactly the same items as the first backpack. So the other thing I made are these rainbows, and I added the Care Bears on there. And I went ahead and packaged these up also. So I thought those were cute. I love them. And then it was a way for me to use up my embellishment pieces that I print and cut from my Cricut. So that was all that I created for TikTok. Really quick, right? I used glitter cardstock from Michael's Paper Pad. I used some papers from another paper pad, but I think it's from Hobby Lobby. It is Paper Studio. Yes, Hobby Lobby. Unicorn Magic. So that's the one I used to create our little rainbows. And at first I didn't know what to do with these layering pieces, but I figured it out. Yeah, so I'm slowly trying to grow my TikTok over there. I just, you know, I'm not 100% familiar yet with the TikTok application, so I'm gonna have to take my time and figure out what a better better way to get people to watch. So check me out on TikTok. It's Eileen Payne 5. So if you want to go and watch me over there. So I don't load videos, I just try to do lives. And yeah, people were slowly trickling in. It's just, you know, like I said, slow, but again, I don't do anything but try to post lives on there. Yeah, and the pen here that you see, I got the Care Bear from Five Below, and the beads are all from Ebony Shop, the Rosette Guru on Instagram, and so is the pen with the fluff. This is also from Ebony. So yeah, it's a working pen, and whoever gets this backpack will get that pen also, and some other goodies will be added to fill the rest of this backpack. So that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit the subscribe. Please subscribe. And while you're there, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load new videos like this or when I go live here on my channel. So thanks again for watching. Thumbs up this video, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.